Hey guys, it's Bass Boy right here, and I just got this new bike from Kid. Well, and this is going to be a before bike check. I'm going to do before and after. So let's start right here. I got duo pedals, and then front rim. It's a sunroom with the Odyssey Twisted or profile mini hub. Odyssey tires front and back. I don't know what kind of shape that is. It looks like a Primo. Kink frame, colony stem, the bars, I don't know what kind of bars they are, I don't know what forks they are, I don't know what the back rim is, it's all screwed up. Don't know what the sprocket is or the cranks are, but overall it's a really light bike, makes almost no sound at all. The hub's kind of messed up, so sometimes it slips. I don't know. They have some kind of writing on them, on the grips, but everything's worn to crap on this bike. I'm gonna paint it, get it all fixed up, and it's left-hand drive. I got it working right. I don't know what kind of logo that is, but that's the back hub. It's a pretty decent bike. I'll show you a couple clips riding it. It's really light. So, that's the bike before. I'm going to do an after bike check once I'm done with it. See y'all later.